Former Yin Yin slowly coming down. Soon it will be the destination downtown. So here is the former Yin Yin and dozens of other things. Gone soon. Only the sign remains. Okay, now we're up north, looking south. This was the outdoor patio at one time. Not anymore. I'll be gone soon. Now, Yin Yin is gone. Goodbye, Yin Yin. It was fun. Yin Yin is gone. It was fun while I was here. Everything it was, restaurants, bars. They left the trees. It was good. Goodbye, Yin Yins. Hello, food court.
A former Cocoa Beach landmark slowly deteriorated, seen by a local businesswoman as the perfect spot for a new hotel.
Just a really difficult property to constantly be looking at that was demolished, that needed to be demolished. It finally got demolished and then nothing happened.
That was the Glass Bank building, finally brought down in 2015. Rosalie Bianco has lived in Cocoa Beach since the late 70s. A property owner, she also runs a design firm. Now hopes to put a $20 to $25 million 6-story hotel project, Stina House, named after her sister, where the Glass Bank building once stood.
That's what I would want as a resident of Cocoa Beach. I would want, a beautiful, park-like atmosphere, interesting shops and coffee shops and lighting and fountains and places to, for my dog to play in the grass.
The property's 60 rooms will be suites with kitchens, catering to longer staying visitors who don't want a traditional hotel room. Part of the attraction for the project to be here, Rosalie says, is that it ties directly into downtown Cocoa Beach, and that the retail and space that this property will provide is something that is needed as downtown expands.
That is the start of the downtown area. And it's been evolving and it's been becoming more of what I certainly envisioned that it could be, and still remain a beautiful surf town. And so I just wanted to be a part of that story.
The development's still in the planning stages and expected to continue into 2025 with groundbreaking later in the year. If all goes well, Stina House will open in 2026.